here's my lovely model today. So I have used the Makeup Glitter Fix from Glitter Body Art, which is a face safe glue, a little bit like eyelash adhesive, and that I've put on a C shape, so underneath, you can see it's a little bit tacky here still, underneath the eye and round onto the forehead. You want to keep a nice C shape there, going no lower than kind of cheekbone and no higher than kind of middle here, and then kind of less is more, so it does get tacky fairly quickly. Let's, I think, do another one here because these look really cool. And then I have got a pansy. Let's do that. And a buttercup. So these are absolutely stunning. And they just look really pretty. So I'm going to put some bio glitter on there now. So I'm using gold because I think this is a really good combination. I'll just do a few taps on there, just to sparkle it a bit. So there is the flower. What do you think? You can press some flowers in your garden and yeah, show me how it looks. Cheers, bye.